Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best carburetor kit is probably one of the most essential components for keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently, acting as the heart of your fuel system by precisely mixing air and fuel to create the combustible charge that powers your vehicle or equipment. A high-quality kit ensures optimal performance, fuel economy, and longevity for your engine, preventing costly repairs and frustrating breakdowns by providing all the necessary gaskets, seals, and jets to restore your carburetor to its peak operating condition. Number 5. NIBBI PE 28mm Carburetor Kit for GY6 Scooters. Experience a significant boost in performance with this high-performance carburetor kit. It's designed to optimize your scooter's engine for maximum power and speed. Specifically crafted for GY6 engines, this kit ensures a perfect fit and seamless integration. Enjoy enhanced throttle response and smoother acceleration. This comprehensive package includes everything you need, from the carburetor to the throttle line and air filter. Installation is straightforward, getting you back on the road faster. Perfect for upgrading scooters with engines ranging from 150 cubic centimeters to 250 cubic centimeters. Feel the difference in power and efficiency immediately after installation. Built with high-quality materials, this carburetor is designed for long-lasting durability and consistent performance. Ride with confidence knowing your engine is running at its best. Choose NIBBI for a superior riding experience. Elevate your scooter's capabilities with our expertly designed performance parts. What we like. This kit offers high-performance speed modification for your GY6 engine. If you're looking to boost the power and responsiveness of your 150 cubic centimeters to 250 cubic centimeters scooter, this is an excellent choice. It provides a significant upgrade for riders seeking enhanced acceleration and top-end speed. What people say. Works great on my 200 cubic centimeters Super R moped. My moped came with a 26mm carburetor, so I jumped it up to a 28mm. A lot more speed and faster takeoff. The machine work. All the products are top-notch stuff. Nothing cheap made. Got it all hooked up and my bike runs significantly better. More takeoff and higher speed. I was blown away by the end of low-end torque and top-end performance that I have so much throttle left now. Number 4. All Balls 26 to 1012 Carburetor Repair Kit. Is your Polaris Sportsman 500 running rough? This kit is designed to bring your carburetor back to life. Get your ATV performing like new again. This comprehensive kit includes all the essential parts you need for a full carburetor repair. No need to search for individual components. Specifically designed for Polaris Sportsman 500 models from 2001 to 2013, including HO, Duze, RC, and Touring EFI versions. Ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. If your ATV features 2 carburetors, this kit provides all the necessary components to service both. Save time and money with a complete solution. Crafted with durable materials, these replacement parts are built to last. Experience reliable performance and extended lifespan for your vehicle's fuel system. The included components are designed for straightforward installation. Get back on the trail quickly with a hassle-free repair process. What we like. This is a comprehensive repair kit designed for specific ATV models. If your Polaris Sportsman 500 is experiencing carburetor issues and you need all the parts to get it running smoothly again, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for owners who want a hassle-free, all-in-one solution for their dual carburetor setup. What people say. Came with all necessary jet and parts to rebuild my 2003 Sportsman 500 HO. Even came with a couple extra O-rings and screws. Put the car back in and she fired right up with a little idle adjustment and fuel screw adjustments. Runs perfectly. Used this whole kit on my 2005 Sportsman 500. The O-ring that holds the seat in was worn, causing the gas to drip out of the overflow. Runs great, no more leaking. Perfect fit for my 2012 Polaris 500 Sportsman HO Carb. Number 3. Walker Products 151045A Carburetor Kit. Introducing the Walker Products 151045A Carburetor Kit. This kit is designed to ensure your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Get back on the road with confidence. Crafted with precision, this carburetor kit offers superior performance. It's built to last, providing reliable operation for your vehicle. Experience the difference quality makes. Designed for straightforward installation, this kit makes maintenance a breeze. You'll have your vehicle back in top condition in no time. Save time and effort with this user-friendly solution. Revitalize your engine's performance with this essential component. It helps restore optimal fuel delivery for a smoother ride. Enjoy a more responsive and powerful driving experience. Built with durable materials, this kit is made to withstand demanding conditions. You can count on its reliability for consistent performance. Invest in a part that offers long-lasting value. What we like. This kit features a durable percale fabric with a brushed finish for exceptional softness. If you're looking for easy-to-maintain bedding that offers a comfortable and luxurious feel, this is a great option. It's suitable for anyone who prioritizes comfort and simple care in their home textiles. What people say. The Carburetor kit was a perfect fit for my 1985 Honda Shadow. All the parts were included and the quality seemed good. It was easy to install and my bike started right up after. Number 2. SNS Cycle Shorty Super E Carburetor Kit 11-0419. Experience a significant boost in your motorcycle's performance. This kit is designed to enhance power and responsiveness for a thrilling ride. Easily fine-tune your engine with its accessible idle mixture screw and easily operated cold start enrichment device. It also features changeable jets for optimal air-fuel ratios. Enjoy a shorter carb body that doesn't compromise on performance. The 360 fuel inlet fitting ensures efficient fuel delivery. This comprehensive kit includes the carburetor, intake manifold, air filter assembly, fuel and vent lines, spare jets, gaskets, and all necessary hardware for a smooth installation. It's highly recommended for improving the performance of any Sportster or Big Twin model from 93 to 99 Evo Big Twin. Please note, it is not compatible with Magneto models. What we like. This kit is engineered for significant performance improvements on Sportster or Big Twin engines. If you're a rider aiming to unlock more power and customize your motorcycle's fuel delivery, this is the Carburetor for you. It's especially recommended for those with Evo Big Twin models looking for a noticeable performance boost. What people say. This kit has all the parts needed to rebuild the carburetor. The parts were a perfect fit for my specific carburetor model. The included instructions were clear and easy to follow, making the rebuild process straightforward. Number 1. Holley 534-202 Throttle Position Kit. Introducing the Holley 534-202 Throttle Position Kit, designed for electric choke carburetors. This kit ensures a safe and easy installation process. It drives directly off the primary throttle shaft, providing accurate voltage readings. This ensures precise operation for your vehicle. This kit supplies the necessary TPS signal to an electronic transmission. You can maintain your carburetor while gaining modern transmission control. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. All necessary parts are included for a quick setup. Upgrade your current setup with this essential component. It bridges the gap between traditional carburetors and modern electronic transmissions. What we like. This throttle position kit is designed for accurate voltage readings with electric choke carburetors. If you need to supply a precise TPS signal to an electronic transmission while still using a carburetor, this is the solution. It's perfect for custom builds or upgrades where electronic control integration is key. What people say. The kit was a perfect fit for my 1985 Honda ATC 250ES Big Red. It included all the necessary parts for a complete rebuild, including jets, gaskets, and O-rings. The quality of the components seems good, and the instructions were clear enough to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.